down to credit building, you have so many things you have to look at in your credit. And here at Home Solution Services, we teach you how to read your credit profile. It's important that you know how to read your credit profile. There are certain things on your credit profile that affects you. And it starts all the way from the top, from your name, all the way to the last inquiry that you have on your credit. So it goes from top to bottom. So we do have certain things that we do discuss with clients when they come in for our services. And we will sit down and educate you. So when you look at your credit score again, or your credit profile again, you will never look at that credit profile the same. So there was a lot of things that I was going to go into to talk about tonight. I was going to give you the credit pie, which talk about certain percentages of the credit, that certain things on the credit that affect the credit. But I thought this introduction will be a good introduction for you guys tonight. And then our next one will be Friday at 8. So I will definitely be talking to you guys again Friday at 8, just speaking with you about what's going on. But we're going to do a little bit more promotion so we can get a few more people in the on the live, so they can hear the good part about what's going on with PPP, EIDL, as well as credit. Now, going back to the EIDL, if you want the EIDL, guess what? You gotta have good credit. So you have to have at least a 570. How many of you have a 570 at least? Majority of you haven't even opened your credit profile or even looked at your credit in the last year or 2 or 3. So it's good, healthy practice and a lifestyle to look at your credit more often. So I challenge you to look at your credit. Just check it out and see what it looks like. It may not be as bad as you think. Some things may have fallen off and some things may still be there. But in order to get the things in life that you need to go according to the changes of the world and what we're doing out here in society. And society is definitely going to a paperless society. So money has changed. The new money is credit. So basically you're looking at what does a debit card do? A debit card can give you either credit or debit, okay? You can use either or. So that lets you know that we're moving into a society and into an economic situation where this economy is going straight digital. It's going paperless. So we have to go according to, and we need to get our finances in order. And credit is the one that we need to really, really look at. So if you want your credit restored and repaired, give us a call, 678-379-9008. Give us a call at any time. Now, it has been such a journey for me with the PPP program when I first got started doing the PPP program, and I will be doing it again, and I am doing the EIDLs as well. So if you are interested in that, that is available, and you just have to have your paperwork in place so I can go ahead and push you through and move forward. Now, but with the credit restoration, I am here for you as well. I have had lots of clients for the last year, and even through the pandemic, I'm excited about it because I've had a few clients that received received credit cards. I had one client to receive a $25,000 credit card through Navy Federal. And she stuck with me, she listened, she paid attention, and she got a $25,000 credit card with Navy Federal. And I also had three couples to purchase homes. So, and even three people to purchase homes. So that's a good thing. And I had one young lady, she purchased her home and she refinanced her home and she bought her dream car. So it is there for you guys. And a lot of people say, well, it's not about materialistic things. Well, guess what? Those extras make us happy. How about that? So you have a choice to do what you want to do. Why sit on an 800 score or a 700 score and do nothing with it. Make it work for you. Invest in property. Flip it, fix, flip, will do whatever you want to do. Open up your business, move forward with your business, get some business credit. And that's another thing we're adding to our agenda is business credit. So business credit, business funding. So it's all falling into place at this point in time. So if you want your credit restored or get some things done, you can do it with Home Solution Services. I'm not going to say much more tonight, but however, on Friday, I will start talking to you guys about the credit pie. And the credit pie is where it breaks down the percentages of each account, which is a trade line that's on your credit. A trade line is a company that you are paying at that point. So whether it could be credit cards, installments, or miscellaneous loans, personal loans, or car notes. But however, it's going to break down with you, and I have all of that, whether break down with you and for you to let you know what percentages affects each thing. And it will let you know what you need to watch for when you watch your credit score go down so you can know what actually happened in the process. Okay, so you will know exactly what happened in the process. You won't have to call me and say, hey, Liz, why my score dropped 30 points? You know exactly why, because the credit pie will show you why. You know, certain things happen. You know, when you go out and you have your credit pool, what happens after that? What happens when you go and you start paying on a new loan or trying to get credit cards or go buy a car, or you're trying to get an apartment or get a house? All these things affect your credit. So it all everything you touch will affect your credit if you go on the credit route. Now, all cash, you know that it is what it is, but that is going to be obsolete very soon, where they're not going to be taking no money bills. So you notice now in different stores they're not even accepting cash. It's all card. Like I told you guys 2 years or 3 years ago, credit is the new money, and we have to stay aware of credit being the new money. So I want to stay on point, and I don't want to prolong you guys with a whole bunch of hoopla. So tonight is going to be a little bit short. I usually go a full hour, but however, on Friday, I will give you a full hour of the credit pie. We will talk about different things. We'll talk about credit usage. We'll talk about loans. We'll talk about revolving credit. We're going to talk about all of that. So from there, it starts at home. It starts with discipline. It starts with you guys actually working it out in the midst of it all. You have to work it out starting at home. So it's not going to come to you easy. So you definitely have to start at home and practice on good things. And those good practices should be is paying attention to your credit and the lifestyles that it will bring you in the process. Okay? All right. So if I have any questions, if you guys will if you have any questions, just hit me up. Let me see those questions. Let me see those questions. Let me see. Um, okay, let me see. So I got I can't see where for jigger jagger on this thing. How do I find my comments? Okay, let me go to my phone real quick. I'm having problems here. I
What are you
can't.
trying to do?
I'm trying to get to my comments so I can see the comments that the people are making.
Do you see a little settings wheel on your screen?
Okay. I see the comments on a whole nother level here. Okay. There's Alicia. Okay.
So it should be
Yeah.
a settings wheel somewhere on there that'll let you click see comments.
Okay. Nah. Most of us you. That's okay though. We're good though. Yes. Uh,
I'm over here waving at the screen like
okay. Well, I got to get back to where I was. I don't know how to do that either. So, hey, all right. So, next time we will. Okay. Well, this is what we're gonna do, people. I'm gonna go. I'll go back. Me and Danielle, and there's settings. I got settings. Viewer. Okay. Okay.
it sounded.
No. Allow. Allow. I'm trying to allow everything. Okay. So we're not gonna sit on here and do that. But however, we're gonna make some things happen. We're gonna make some things happen. So all the viewers for tonight. I know there wasn't a lot of people, but I'm okay with that because at this point, I just want whoever can hear my voice at this time, whether it's one person, a half of a person, or whatever. It does not matter. Only the important part about this is to make sure that people hear what needs to take place and how things needs to happen. So we're going to talk about more about credit restoration next week. I will definitely give you an update on the PPP program loan forgiveness, on how to have your loans forgiven. If you've had your loans for more than 8 weeks to 24 weeks, then you are entitled to go in and get loan forgiveness. However, your company that you got the loan with, they need to send you an invitation or an email and stating that you are up for forgiveness. If not, the SBA does have a portal on their website. However, on that, some of the lenders are not issuing the loan forgiveness as well. So we just have to see who we with to be able to get the loan forgiveness. So they all should be able to go through the SBA portal. Okay, so you guys, if you have any questions, go ahead and post your questions. I will get back with you directly. If not, then because I know she's actually responding to some of the questions online as well, because I can't see them from here, and I'm usually on my phone instead of on the internet, looking at them that way. So if I haven't answered your phone while we're on, I mean your phone. Oof. If I haven't answered your question while we're on live, it's okay. I will answer it once I get off, and we can chit chat or however it needs to, whatever needs to happen, whatever comes first, as I would say. So you guys have a good night. I'm gonna sign off for now, and this has been Boss Thoughts. Boss Thoughts, where like-minded people prosper. You guys have a great night, and I'll see you on Friday at 8. If you have any questions about anything, put it in the inbox. I will answer, or I will answer on the next live. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. This is great information, and I have some success stories as well for the things that we do here at Home Solution Services Credit Builders. So if you have any questions, whether it's PPP loan affiliated, whether it's EIDL loan affiliated, whether it's credit restoration affiliated. I need to know what you want to know so I can answer your questions. So I just won't be just on here just to be on here. I can get to your situation and your issue, your problem. So if you would put in the answers, questions, and I'll give you answers next live. The next live will be Friday, and I'm gonna move it up to about 6:37. So 7 o'clock next week, this week, Friday, you guys. This week, Friday, which I think is the 6th. So I will be on live August 6th at 7 o'clock instead of 8. Let's do 7. Yeah, so we don't have to be out so late here at the office. All right, we'll talk soon. Have a great one. Be blessed. Talk to you guys. Bye.